A very powerful way to search PsycINFO is through the use of the subject terms that are assigned to each article in the database. Let's say I wanted to find articles on the connection between working memory and learning or reading disorders. My research question naturally suggests a couple of key phrases: working memory and perhaps learning disorders. Instead of typing these terms into the search box, I can use PsycINFO's subject Thesaurus to make a targeted search for articles on my topic. Doing so tends to return much more relevant results, especially for broader questions such as this one. Subject searching is also useful when several names are given to the same phenomenon, as it collects relevant articles under one term. First, you need to be in the Advanced Search interface. Next, click Thesaurus. Let's search for working memory. When I click on the term, I find that PsycINFO instead uses the term short-term memory, and that it is in the subject hierarchy just under memory. Clicking the box next to the term gives me more information about the term, as well as any related terms. These can be quite useful. Clicking on the plus sign next to the term displays any narrower terms, in this case only one: iconic memory. If you would like to search for short-term memory and every other term downstream from it, again in this case only iconic memory, you can click Explode. I don't want to do that here, but I do want to find articles in which short-term memory is a major focus, so I am going to click Major and then Add to Search. Open the Thesaurus again. Now we want to search for learning difficulties. Let's type learning and see what comes up. There are a lot of terms, but a couple of likely candidates are learning disabilities and learning disorders. If you click on learning disorders and then click on the plus sign next to it, you will see that learning disabilities, reading disabilities, as well as dyslexia are all narrower terms than learning disorders. If you would like to search for all of these terms, click Explode next to learning disorders. We also want these to be major terms, so we click Major and then Add to Search. Notice the two terms are connected by AND. Click Search. If we click on an article that turns up, we will see that the search engine is not searching for words in the text of the article or the abstract, but only for the subject terms that are assigned by PsycINFO to the article, and in this case only for major subject terms. As you go through relevant articles, you'll want to collect useful subject terms and try them out in different combinations.